Tired of wasting time on cleaning that never feels done? In this video, we're looking at 20 Amazon cleaning gadgets that actually work, with options for every budget. And if you want to check prices or links, they're all waiting in the description below. Starting off at number 20, we have this cordless mini vacuum and air duster, and honestly, it's one of those gadgets you don't realize you need until your keyboard, desk, or car starts collecting dust everywhere. What makes it so useful is the two-in-one design. It can vacuum crumbs and dirt in seconds, but it also works as an air blower to push dust out of tight spaces like keyboards, vents, cameras, or even gaming consoles. Since it's cordless and lightweight, you can quickly grab it without dragging out a full-size vacuum for tiny messes. The different attachments also make it surprisingly versatile for everyday cleaning around the house or office. It's obviously not meant for deep cleaning carpets or large areas, but for small spaces and electronics, it saves a ton of time. That's exactly why it earns a spot on this list. Coming in at number 19, we have this electric floor scrubber, and this thing is built for people who are tired of spending forever scrubbing tile, grout, garages, patios, or other hard surfaces by hand. Instead of putting pressure on your back and knees, the rotating brush heads do most of the hard work for you, which makes deep cleaning feel way less exhausting. It's cordless, easy to move around, and surprisingly useful for large areas where normal mops just don't cut it. The strong scrubbing power helps lift dirt, stains, and grime much faster, especially in places that usually take multiple passes. It's definitely more of a heavy-duty cleaning tool than a quick everyday gadget, but if you regularly deal with stubborn floors or outdoor messes, it can save a huge amount of time and effort. That's what makes it one of the most satisfying cleaning gadgets on this list. At number 18, we've got this floor scrub brush with a built-in squeegee. And even though it looks simple, it's surprisingly effective for bathrooms, kitchens, garages, patios, and basically any area where dirt and water build up fast. The stiff bristles help loosen grime without needing to scrub on your hands and knees, while the rubber squeegee side pushes water away in just a few passes, which makes cleanup feel much faster and less messy. The rotating head also helps you reach awkward corners and tight spaces more easily compared to a regular broom or mop. It's one of those low-tech cleaning tools that just makes sense, especially if you deal with wet floors, tile, or outdoor surfaces often. Obviously, it's not replacing a power scrubber for deep stains, but for everyday cleaning and quick maintenance, it's practical, affordable, and genuinely useful. Number 17 is this robot window cleaner, and if you hate cleaning large windows, mirrors, or glass doors, this gadget can honestly feel like a huge shortcut. Instead of climbing around with paper towels and spray bottles, you just attach it to the glass, press a button, and let it move around, cleaning the surface on its own. The automatic path system helps cover the window evenly, while the microfiber pads handle dust, fingerprints, and light dirt surprisingly well. It's especially useful for hard-to-reach windows or apartments where cleaning the outside glass can be annoying or even risky. The remote control also makes it easier to guide manually when needed. Of course, really heavy grime may still need a second pass, but for regular maintenance, it takes one of the most boring cleaning jobs and makes it almost effortless. That convenience alone makes it worthy of this ranking. If you're enjoying the video, subscribe. We post similar content every day. In 16th place, we have this UV toothbrush sanitizer and holder. And while it might seem like a small gadget, it actually makes a lot of sense for keeping your bathroom setup cleaner and more organized. Instead of leaving toothbrushes exposed on the sink where they collect moisture and bacteria, this device uses UV light to help sanitize them automatically after use. It also doubles as a wall-mounted holder, which helps free up counter space and keeps everything looking less cluttered. The digital display gives it a modern feel, and since it's rechargeable, you don't have to constantly deal with batteries. It's especially useful for families or anyone sharing a bathroom, where hygiene matters a little more. Obviously, it's not some life-changing cleaning machine, but it's one of those simple gadgets that quietly improves your daily routine while making your bathroom feel cleaner overall. At number 15, we have this self-cleaning flat mop and bucket system, and this is the kind of cleaning gadget that makes mopping feel way less annoying. Instead of constantly touching dirty water or wringing out a mop by hand, the bucket system separates clean and dirty water while also cleaning the mop pad as you slide it through. That means less mess, less effort, and floors that actually feel cleaner afterward. The flat mop design is also great for getting under beds, couches, and furniture where regular mops struggle. Since the microfiber pads are reusable, it's practical for everyday cleaning without constantly buying replacements. It's especially useful for apartments, kitchens, and homes, with pets or kids where floors get dirty fast. Sure, it's not a heavy-duty industrial cleaner, but for daily use, it makes one of the most repetitive chores feel quicker, cleaner, and much more convenient. Halfway through the list, at number 14, we have this handheld steam cleaner, and this is one of those gadgets that makes deep cleaning feel a lot easier without relying heavily on chemicals. The high-temperature steam helps loosen grease, grime, soap scum, and dirt from surfaces that usually take serious scrubbing, especially in kitchens and bathrooms. What makes it really useful is all the included attachments, since you can switch between cleaning tiles, sinks, stovetops, grout lines, windows, furniture, and even car interiors. It's compact enough to carry around easily, but still powerful enough to handle stubborn messes in tight spaces. People with pets or kids will probably appreciate being able to sanitize surfaces using mostly steam instead of strong cleaners. Of course, you still need a little patience for really tough buildup, but for everyday deep cleaning around the house, it's surprisingly versatile and genuinely satisfying to use. Coming in at number 13, we have this upgraded sink drain stopper and hair catcher, and even though it's a super simple gadget, it can save you from one of the most annoying cleaning problems in any bathroom or kitchen. Instead of constantly dealing with clogged drains full of hair and buildup, the stainless steel filter catches debris before it becomes a bigger issue. What people really like is that it also works as a pop-up stopper, so you get two functions in one compact design. Installation is quick, and once it's in place, cleaning the drain becomes way easier because you can simply remove the trapped hair and rinse it off in seconds. It's not some flashy high-tech gadget, but honestly, preventing nasty clogs before they happen saves time, avoids expensive plumbing problems, and makes everyday cleaning much less frustrating. At number 12, we have this automatic soap dispensing dish brush system, and this is one of those tiny kitchen upgrades that actually makes everyday cleaning feel smoother. Instead of constantly grabbing the soap bottle with wet hands, the sensor automatically dispenses soap exactly when you need it, which keeps the sink area cleaner and less messy overall. It's especially convenient when washing multiple dishes because everything feels faster and more efficient. The rechargeable design also means no disposable batteries, and the compact setup looks a lot cleaner on the countertop compared to traditional soap bottles and sponges lying around. It may sound like a small change, but reducing little annoyances during daily chores honestly adds up over time. Obviously, it's not reinventing dishwashing, but for people who spend a lot of time in the kitchen, it adds a level of convenience that quickly becomes hard to give up. Remember that all the links are in the description. You can compare prices and read customer reviews. At number 11, we have this electric spin scrubber, and if there's one thing that makes cleaning bathrooms less miserable, it's not having to scrub everything manually. The rotating brush head does most of the hard work for you, which is especially helpful for tubs, tiles, grout, sinks, and shower walls where grime tends to build up fast. One of the best parts is the extendable handle, because you can clean floors and high corners without constantly bending down or stretching awkwardly. It also comes with multiple brush attachments, so you can switch depending on the surface you're cleaning. The cordless design makes moving around easy, and the digital battery display is a nice touch for knowing when it needs charging. Sure, it won't magically remove years of buildup instantly, but it seriously cuts down the effort needed for deep cleaning, which is exactly why so many people love these things. Breaking into the top 10, we have this mattress vacuum cleaner with UV light. And this is one of those cleaning gadgets people usually underestimate until they see how much dust it actually pulls out of beds, couches, and fabric surfaces. It combines strong suction, vibration, and UV light to help remove dust, hair, crumbs, and other particles hiding deep inside mattresses and upholstery. That's especially useful for people with allergies, pets, or anyone who wants their bed to feel fresher without constantly deep cleaning everything manually. The compact design also makes it easy to use on pillows, sofas, and even car seats without dragging around a heavy vacuum. What really makes this gadget satisfying is seeing how much hidden dirt comes out of surfaces that already looked clean. It's definitely more specialized than a normal vacuum, but for improving overall cleanliness where you sleep and relax, it's surprisingly effective. At number 9, we have this electric air duster. And if you're still buying disposable compressed air cans for cleaning electronics, this gadget is honestly a much smarter long-term option. It uses a high-speed motor to blast dust out of keyboards, PCs, gaming consoles, cameras, car vents, and all those tiny spaces that are impossible to clean properly by hand. What makes it really practical is the adjustable power levels, because you can use gentle airflow for delicate electronics or stronger pressure for heavier dust buildup. Since it's rechargeable and reusable, you also avoid constantly spending money on canned air that runs out fast. The compact design makes it easy to keep nearby on a desk or shelf, so quick cleanups become effortless. It's obviously a more specialized gadget, but for anyone with tech devices, home offices, or gaming setups, this thing quickly becomes one of those tools you end up using all the time. At number 8, we have this cordless electric cleaning brush, and this is a great example of a small gadget making annoying little cleaning tasks much easier. Instead of scrubbing sinks, faucets, grouts, stovetops, or shower corners by hand, the rotating brush heads handle the repetitive work for you while giving you better precision in tight spaces. The slim design makes it comfortable to hold, and because it's waterproof and rechargeable, you can use it almost anywhere around the house without dealing with cords. It also comes with multiple brush attachments, so you can switch between softer cleaning and more aggressive scrubbing, depending on the surface. This isn't really meant for large floors or heavy-duty deep cleaning, but for everyday details that normally take extra effort, it saves time and makes cleaning feel way less tedious. That convenience alone easily earns it a place in the top 10. At number 7, we have the Smart Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, and this is the kind of cleaning gadget that genuinely changes how much time you spend maintaining your floors. Instead of vacuuming and mopping manually every day, this thing handles both automatically while navigating around furniture and mapping your home intelligently. What really makes it stand out is the self-emptying and self-cleaning station, because you don't constantly have to deal with dustbins or dirty mop pads after every run. It's especially useful for busy households, pet owners, or anyone who wants cleaner floors without thinking about it all the time. The app controls also make scheduling super convenient, so your house can literally clean itself while you're away. Obviously, it's a bigger investment than most gadgets on this list, but for the amount of daily effort it removes, it easily earns its spot in the top 10. At number 6, we have this retractable gap dust cleaner, and honestly, this is one of those simple tools that solves a cleaning problem everybody ignores until the dust buildup gets disgusting. The flexible microfiber head slides into tight spaces, like under couches, beds, refrigerators, washing machines, and other furniture where normal vacuums or mops can't easily reach. Since the handle extends, you can clean deep areas without moving heavy furniture or crawling on the floor every time. It's especially useful for pet hair, dust, crumbs, and all the random stuff that somehow disappears under appliances. The washable microfiber pads are also reusable, which makes it practical for regular cleaning instead of disposable dusters. Sure, it's not the most high-tech gadget on this list, but the amount of hidden dirt it helps remove with almost no effort makes it surprisingly satisfying and way more useful than most people expect. Coming in at number 5, we have this magnetic window cleaning tool, and this gadget is especially impressive for cleaning both sides of a window at the same time. The magnetic design connects the two cleaning pads through the glass, so while you move one side inside, the other side follows outside automatically. That means you can clean exterior windows safely without leaning out, using ladders, or struggling to reach awkward spots. It's particularly useful for apartments, high windows, or glass panels that are normally difficult to access. The microfiber pads help remove dust, fingerprints, and light dirt, while leaving fewer streaks than regular cloths. There's definitely a small learning curve at first, especially getting used to the magnetic movement. But once you figure it out, it can make window cleaning much faster and safer. For people with lots of glass surfaces at home, this thing can honestly be a huge time saver. At number 4, we have this reusable gel keyboard cleaner, and even though it looks a little weird at first, it's honestly one of the easiest ways to clean dust and crumbs out of tiny spaces. You simply press the gel onto keyboards, car vents, controllers, remote controls, and other textured surfaces, and it lifts out dirt that normal cloths usually miss. It's especially satisfying for cleaning electronics because the soft gel reaches between keys and small gaps without needing to take anything apart. The included detailing brushes also help with more stubborn dust buildup when needed. Since the gel is reusable multiple times, it's a simple little gadget you can keep at your desk, in your car, or near your gaming setup for quick cleanups anytime. Obviously, it's not replacing a vacuum or deep cleaning tool, but for small messes and electronics, it's cheap, fast, and surprisingly effective. At number 3, we have this toilet cleaning and plunger set, and while it may not be the flashiest gadget on the list, it's one of those bathroom essentials that makes cleaning feel way more organized and less unpleasant. Instead of having a random plunger and toilet brush sitting exposed in the corner, everything stays neatly stored in one compact holder that looks much cleaner in the bathroom. The brush is designed to reach under the rim and into difficult spots more easily, helping you clean faster with less effort. And of course, having the plunger built into the same setup means you're prepared for emergencies without scrambling around when something goes wrong. It's simple, practical, and honestly, one of those upgrades that makes the bathroom feel less messy overall. Sometimes the best cleaning gadgets aren't complicated. They just solve everyday problems in a cleaner, smarter way. At number 2, we have this reusable pet hair remover roller, and if you live with cats or dogs, you already know how impossible it can feel to keep furniture clean. This gadget uses a rolling design that quickly lifts hair, lint, and fuzz off couches, beds, blankets, carpets, and even car seats, without needing sticky disposable sheets. What makes it so satisfying is how fast it works, compared to constantly vacuuming smaller areas or peeling off endless lint roller strips. The built-in collection chamber also keeps everything contained, so cleanup is simple once you're done. It's lightweight, reusable, and easy to grab for quick daily touch-ups when pet hair starts taking over the house again. Obviously, it won't replace a full vacuum for deep cleaning, but for everyday furniture maintenance, especially in homes with pets, this thing saves an incredible amount of time and frustration. And finally, taking the number 1 spot, we have the O-Seater Easy Ring Spin Mop System. And there's a reason this thing became so popular. It takes one of the most repetitive household chores and makes it faster, cleaner, and honestly, way less annoying. The built-in foot pedal spin system lets you control how wet the mop gets without touching dirty water, which already makes the whole process feel more convenient. The microfiber mop head also does a great job picking up dust, hair, and grime while reaching corners and tight spaces more easily than traditional mops. It's lightweight, simple to use, and works especially well for everyday floor cleaning in kitchens, bathrooms, and larger living areas. What really makes it stand out is the balance between price, practicality, and effectiveness. It's not some overcomplicated gadget. It just works consistently, saves time, and makes cleaning feel noticeably easier every single week.